Is a massive altcoin season imminent? You guys can see right here that Bitcoin is and did break out from this 4-hour time frame right here, as you guys can see. Now on the 3-day time frame, we are still in this channel right here, yet to break out. And the big question is, when will Bitcoin break out, or are we going to essentially come back down on the 3-day time frame? We're also going to be talking about the stochastic RSI, guys. It is looking extremely bullish. We're going to be talking about Ethereum. We're going to be talking about Solana on the daily. We're going to be talking about the Solana on the 6-hour, guys. And before anything, our account just hit $300,000 from the 10K to $1 million challenge. If you guys have been following these videos all along. So if you guys want to see more of these videos, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on if you guys never want to miss a video. And of course, guys, before we dive in, if you want to trade in with BYDFi, the link will be in the description below. Not only can you copy my trade if you deposit $100 or more, but you could essentially get a bunch of bonuses and a bunch of rewards like $2,000 bonus, $1,000 bonus, $500 bonus, depending on how much you essentially deposit. And of course, if you have a look right here, you could also win a Rolex. Okay, not only can you win a Rolex, but you could win a Louis Vuitton bag, and you could win AirPods, iPad, iPhone just for trading. No other crypto exchanges will literally give you money for trading. So having a look right here on Bitcoin on the day, on the 4-hour time frame, before we have a look on the 3-day time frame. First of all, I do want to have a look at these exponential moving average, because being above these EMA ribbons are actually very bullish. Okay, so if I actually zoom in right here, by the way, this whole chart that you actually see right here on the 4-hour time frame is actually the small chart that you see on the 3-day time frame, which is actually very interesting. So having a look right here on the EMA ribbon, you guys can see that we did have a beautiful rebound off these exponential moving average, which is of course a bullish sign. We know every time we essentially have these breakouts right here, we get a retest, and that is exactly what is happening. So if you guys have been watching my previous videos, you guys know this. Having a look right here at some order blocks, we do have a strong order block right here. You guys can see this is the red, but we also did break the structure. We got a BOS right here, which is break a structure, which is of course very good. But of course, are we going to clear the order block at $109,000? If we do have another order block that will meet us at $111,000, which is actually an interesting one. And having a look, guys, right here, we got a beautiful diamond. And of course, ever since we've been trending to the upside. Having a look right here at Bitcoin on the 3-day time frame, you guys can see, first of all, if we do potentially break this bull flag, we could have a TP3 on the 3-day time frame of $156,000. Okay, now guys, remember the last time we were oversold right here on the stochastic RSI, guess when it was? It was right here on March or February 2025, and that's when Bitcoin took it all the way to as high as $110,000, which made it a 43% pump. Okay, now if we actually pump right here, a 43% pump will actually meet us right here at $156,000, believe it or not. So can we actually see Bitcoin hit our TP3? Now, of course, this is what the algorithm is giving right here. Okay, so if I actually take off this algo, you guys can see everything goes back to normal. So $143,000 Bitcoin will mean that Ethereum and Solana will essentially explode to the freaking stratosphere. So having a look right here on Ethereum, guys, on the 30-minute time frame. Now, this is the shorter time frame that I do want to have a look at, because you guys can see that after exploding, okay, so Ethereum had a nice little move. And if you guys are in my Discord, you guys know that we made some bank on Ethereum. You guys can see right here, 21K on Ethereum. Yes, we were down in XRP, but that doesn't even matter. And guess what, guys? Our Ethereum trade is still open. Now, this is a fantastic buying opportunity for Ethereum. We got a bullish order block right here. That means that a massive reversal is incoming, and we're most likely going to either break this level right here or get rejected. If we do get rejected one more time, or get rejected on this order block, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a massive reversal, you know, below 2400. But as of right now, guys, I am not looking at that. This is a bullish order block right here. I will be adding more to my Ethereum position, and we could see right here that the volatility has come to an all-time low on the 30-minute time frame since obviously not since, but since 3 days. Nothing too crazy to see, but you guys know what happens when we do see these, you know, volatility comes to an all-time low. We usually see massive move to the upside. Having a look right here at Solana, I don't know what the hell just happened, but you guys can see right here on the daily chart on Solana, things are looking pretty good. We do have the MACD flipping bullish for the first time in a very long time. I mean, the last time we were this bullish was actually April 2025, when Solana took it all the way from $104 to as high as $183. Now, not only are we seeing a bullish pattern right here, or a bullish pump from a breakout, we are seeing a breakout from this ascending channel or descending channel right here, with the MACD momentum flipping to the upside. Now we do have some resistance right here. I'm not gonna lie, not only do we have a resistance on the trend line, but we have the 50 moving average, which we're gonna have to see where it goes in the near future. As of right now, guys, we are not there yet, but in my opinion, if we do break $158, that's gonna be a moonshot from there. And guys, this is what I want to talk about. 6-hour time frame. Solana just finally found its green buy signal. Now, the last time we had a buy signal was April 10, 2025. Like I said, when Solana took it all the way from $119 to as high as $187. That is a 59% pump. Now, remember guys, we play on leverage on the account that we're doing. And if you guys are copying my trade, you know that I am very, very close to enter a Solana long. Now, you guys remember what happened right here? We saw a pump consolidation after the green candle, came back down, retested. I wouldn't be surprised if the thing goes like that, consolidate, comes back down, retest, and then explode to the upside. So just because we saw the green buy signal doesn't mean that we're going to essentially buy right now. We're going to wait 2 to 3 days, see what the price action is from there. In my opinion, guys, July is going to be fantastic. I believe that July is going to be altcoin season time. That doesn't mean that we're going to see a full-blown altcoin season, but like we saw in 2021. But I do think that an altcoin relief rally is coming, and it's literally just a matter of time. So we're going to have a mini altcoin season. In my opinion, in order for us to have a full-blown altcoin season, I really do think that the Bitcoin dominance does need to reach, a certain amount, which is 72%. Until we see the Bitcoin dominance reach 72%, I don't really see an altcoin season happening. And pretty much that's about it. So that is the altcoin season, or not the altcoin season chart, but the Bitcoin dominance chart right here. Currently sitting at 65.59%. Like I said, guys, in order for us to see an altcoin season, I would like to see it go to as high as 72% before seeing that hammer. The same thing, we saw it right here, and the same time we saw it right here. But you could really say we actually saw it right here in 2017, which pretty much came crashing down. So we need to see 72% in order for us to see that massive altcoin season. The whole market is looking a little bit shaky right now on the right side of my screen. Solana ETF are supposed to be happening this week. XRP, guys, we are still on our trade. The 2-month is looking really ugly, obviously, but we're not going to be having a look at the 2-month. If we have a look right here at the daily candle, you guys can see that XRP is about to flip bullish right here. As soon as we break not only this downtrend, but we break this pattern right here, we got the red sell signal. Okay, as soon as we break that, in my opinion, we're going to fly to the moon. We're going to get that buy signal. Things are going to be freaking bullish, in my opinion. You guys can see right here on the 6-hour time frame. Actually, this 6-hour time frame, we officially got the buy signal, but that doesn't mean that it's always good, because the last time we had a buy signal right here, guess what happened? Boom, came back down. Shortly, we got a red sell signal. That's why I like to wait a couple more days until we essentially have a full-on confirmation. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for